61A, lecture number 29. Announcements. Homework 7 is due Thursday, but we don't have a regular office hours room on Thursday afternoon, so instead we've moved the office hours to a much smaller room, Warren 101A. I don't recommend coming to office hours at that time because it will be quite crowded. So if you could come to office hours at a different time or solve the problems on your own, that would be great. But we will hold office hours. We'll just have fewer staff and less space. Please submit any grade requests for midterm 2 by next Wednesday. Today, we learn about how to write a program that runs another program, that is, how to write an interpreter for a programming language. The goal in this course is to teach you how to write an interpreter for the Scheme language using Python. You know about Python? Well, writing an interpreter using Python is a great way to practice your programming skills writing a larger program, and is going to help reinforce many of the concepts you've learned so far because you'll have to implement them in code. But before we can dive into the details of how to write an interpreter, we need to learn one more feature of Python, which is exceptions and exception handling. Those show up quite a bit when you're writing an interpreter.